Hi folks, this is Janet from Cottage Sage, and today I am going to make hot pickled peppers. We made that recipe for canning, and of course when you can and you cook your peppers, they get kind of soft, and we really loved the flavor, but we want crunch. So I'm going to make some hot pickled peppers for the refrigerator. I decided I'd share that with you. And it's super easy. It's a great way to get condiments for sandwiches or whatever you like. So let's talk about what I have. First, most importantly, gloves. If you get the hot pepper on your hands and then rub your eyes, you're really going to regret it. So don't do that. I have a cutting board knife. I have, these are Hungarian wax peppers from my garden. I picked them this morning. And then I have fresh garlic and cut onion. I have some mason jars, and then I also have brine that I made up, same as if I were home canning. It is 4 cups water, 4 cups vinegar, and ½ cup salt. And if you use the non-iodized salt, it will be less cloudy. Mine's a little cloudy because all I had on hand was the iodized. So, first step, gloves. Okay, so for the peppers, because I want it to make little rings, I'm going to take off the top. I'm going to cut it in half and then just push out the seeds. We'll put those over there. Okay. And as I go, I'm going to load up the food processor. All right, let's make some pepper rings. All right, I'm also going to put in a little onion. Okay, so the first thing I want to get into each jar is a piece of garlic, and then a mix of the peppers and the onions. And this is going to need to sit in the refrigerator and pickle, maybe for a couple of weeks. But that's fine, we'll just shove them to the back and put a date on them. Maybe a little bit more onion in there. So the brine I have, like I said, it's vinegar, water, and salt. Very, very simple, nothing extra. And this does happen to be a little warm, but that's not critical. It'll all go in the refrigerator. And a flat, and a ring, and there is one. I'm going to do probably a couple more out of what I have. But that's as hard as it is. Again, a couple of weeks in the refrigerator, and they'll be ready to go on sandwiches if my daughter doesn't get to them and eat them all out of the bowl. But there it is for you. So if you would like or share or subscribe, all 3 would be great. I'd love for you to join me on the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.